Good morning, sir.
Morning, Adelio.
Sir, yang tentang PR exercise Bu itu saya sudah kumpul ya, sir.
Ya, yang page 111, yes?
Yes, saya sudah kumpul waktu minggu lalu sebelum libur.
Okay, that's ready. If already collect, it means have finished, yeah. I remind on that message atau WhatsApp for the student ya. Ya, memang in there ya the schedule atau schedule-nya itu kan on 23rd ya. But some student are have finished when I give to last Friday ya. So some student collect last Friday ya. Okay, student, prepare your book, prepare your photocopy paper 109. We will study about that, editing data.
Still topik 7, sir.
Yes, it's still about unit 7. Okay, we want to start our lesson. I want to share screen. You can see my screen, students?
Yes, sir. Can, sir. Can.
Ready, Yakit? Okay. This one, today we will study about editing data. Our learning objective is editing data. And in editing data, have selecting data, cutting data, copying data, and pasting data. Okay, before we start, what in bahasa selecting data, Kit?
Select data, sir.
Yeah, select. What the meaning select?
Memilih.
Memilih. Okay, good. Memilih, ya. Kita pemilih data. Jadi, if you want to edit first, the first is select first, ya. Kita select and then have enter cutting. Nanti ada cutting. Okay, what the meaning here cutting?
Menggunting.
Menggunting. Memotong.
Memotong.
But later in Microsoft Excel, apakah kita potong Microsoft Excel ya?
Memangkas.
Nah, memangkas. Kita pangkas
Atau
Microsoft
memotong.
Excel. Oke, the meaning here, maksudnya di sini, cutting di sini adalah bukan memotong teks atau memangkas teksnya, but di sini memindahkan, move, ya, move. Kita move, ya, Kit. Oke, later we try ya, kita try langsung ya. Oke, coughing. Oke, coughing, you know coffee, coughing.
Menyalin.
Menyalin. And then the other language menyalin selain itu? What again?
Penyalinan.
Penyalinan. Okay, the other menduplikasi. Understand duplikat? Ya, duplikat. And also we can also menggandakan. Ya. Di copy itu kan digandakan, diduplikasi atau diperbanyak, ya. Oke, that's the meaning atau the function of copy. Ya. And pasting, paste, ya, paste in here what? It paste.
Menempelkan.
Menempelkan. Oke. Menempelkan, or we can also we say menempatkan. Ya, menempatkan atau menempelkan. Okay, student, I hope you already watched this video. This is also explanation about this learning objective. And here I remind you, kid, don't forget to do your computer project. Computer project. Yeah, later I want to explain about computer project. Okay, you can see here selecting data. Men-select data, memilih data. Itu mouse action. Action mouse itu if click once, jika diklik sekali dalam Excel itu fungsinya men-select one cell, ya. Oke, we try langsung directly ya Microsoft Excel. Kita coba aja langsung. Oke, this one. Look at here, when I click once sekali maka dia terselect. Ini B8. Ya, B8. B8. Ya, I click here maka terselect A8. You can see name boxnya. But the second, ya, click on the row label, maka dia terselect entire row. Ya, in row label this one ya. 1, 2, 3 itu number, ini row label. I click here, row label itu entire row. Terselectnya itu entire row. Jadi seluruh all the row number 6 ini terselect semua. Ya. Now click one on the column label, maka entire column. Ya, kalau kolom, di example kolom D, I click row, ya, kolom labelnya D, maka kolom D semua terselect. Itu fungsinya, gitu. And then entire worksheet. Click on the entire worksheet button. This is sheet. Ya, ini terselect sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 1, sheet 1, 2. Ya, jadi klik sheetnya. This is sheet button. Ya, ini sheet button. And then drag mouse over cell, itu namanya range of cell. Okay, student, if I make like this, what the name of this one? Yang cell. Cell yang terselect ini the name apa namanya? Oke, ini kumpulan sel. So in English we say range of cell. Ini range of cell ya. Jadi more than one, lebih dari satu itu range of cell. Oke, kita select the example this one. Itu range of cell. Ya, yang terselect ini range of cell. Oke, student. The next we study about cutting. Ya, cutting itu bisa use Control X, copying, ini CTRL-C, pasting CTRL-V. Oke, we try ya, kid. Cutting. Cutting in bahasa tadi memotong, but here maksudnya memindahkan. Oke, the example, we want to cut this. I love. Oke, focus on my screen. Ya, klik love, diselect dulu ya, diselect love, and then you can see here, click home, and here you can see this. What picture this?
Caesar, sir.
Caesar. Okay, Caesar. Okay, we click cut. If after click cut, you can see here tampilannya, kid. And then you want to paste in where? You want to paste, menempelkan di mana atau menempatkan di mana? The example here. Ya, here. You click first. Kamu klik dulu tempatnya di mana. After that, click this one, paste. Atau with keyboard CTRL plus V. Sama ya. Klik. Look at that. I love-nya mana, kid?
Pindah, sir.
Pindah, sir.
Iya, pindah. Move here. Pindah ya, kid. Oke. I love my mother. Oke, we want to copy. Ya, we want to copy. Kita klik first again. Ya, klik. Select dulu. Klik. Ya, if you want to copy this, can. Ya, kita select yang mana yang mau di copy. The example, we want to copy this. Ya, after that click home, copy. Have copy here. Copy, ya kita ulangi. Copy. And then in where we want to put the example here. Ya, select first ya. Di mana mau ditempatkan and then paste. So easy ya, Kid. So easy.
Easy, sir.
Yeah, so you already understand about the cutting, copying, and pasting. Ya, paste tadi ini this one. You must remember this: paste, cut, copy. In where? In menu home, not in insert, not in page layout, but in home. Di home ini ya, Kid. The way you must select first. Kamu select first the text atau the cell yang mau kamu edit atau mau kamu pindahkan atau mau kamu copy or paste atau mau cut. Okay, now I want to explain about the project. Okay, be focused, kid, because this is project very important for you. So later you can do your project as good as possible. Okay, student, in here I give 3 options. The first with computer. But I hope you can do with computer. Jadi nilai dengan with computer sama without computer itu berbeda, ya. And the second with HP, atau handphone, Android or smartphone can also. You can open your handphone atau smartphone, lihat di situ ada nggak application WPS Office-nya. WPS Office application. Di sini, in here, have Word, have Excel also. Okay, if you cannot do also with handphone or Android, you can choose number 3. Without computer, you draw on a paper like below. Ya. Oke, kalau yang without computer cuma draw aja, but don't forget to color it ya, diwarnai. Tapi student, I hope you can do in Microsoft Excel with computer or with handphone or with laptop ya. Okay, I explain about with computer because this is very important ya. Student, you must follow the procedure ya, kid. You follow the procedure this one. Follow the procedure ya. Ini prosedurnya, kid. Look at column width, lebar kolom. Ya, kalau row height itu in bahasa adalah tinggi baris. Okay. You can see here. Okay, I want to show you this one. Yeah, this one. Ini yang sudah jadi. So later I hope you can do like this. Especially about the color. It is up to you. You can choose the other color, and about the name, you can make the other name. Yeah, but if the number, day, and date, you must same. And the important one also, the column width, lebar kolomnya must use the procedure. Look at column A for or 33 pixels. Ya, you can see here. Ya, you can see here. I click ya, kid. Coba perhatikan, kid. How to know column width-nya? Ya, click in here. Look at that. How much that, kid?
33 pixel, sir.
Ya, for or 33 pixel, 33 pixels. Okay. Column B, 15. Column C, 13. Column D, 30 ya, ini 30. 30, oh sorry, how much? We see again. Coba kita lihat. The procedure-nya berapa saya buat column D. You can here 30 ya. Oke, 30. So, you can click here. Ya, 30. Kamu geser sedikit aja. If cannot, you can use this. Kalau kamu sulit menggunakan this one, drag seperti dikit, ya, you can choose in where we have study about how to resize. Bagaimana cara meresize? Kolom width. Bisa kamu right click ya, right click. Kamu select dulu kolom D-nya, kemudian right click, ada kolom width-nya. You type here 30. Oke. Ready. Ya, di sini dia nampil segini. Tapi kamu kolom width-nya right click, kamu kolom width buat 30. Oke. Di sini ya, kita right click kalau mau see, if you want to see 13. Ya. Same also like this, right click 15. In here, ini 4 tadi ya, 4. 4. Okay. So you follow the procedure ya, the procedure this one. If you follow this procedure, maka hasilnya sama seperti ini. Okay, student. And then the size of the text ya itu 12 except ya, kecuali judul. Okay, you can see here. Yeah, you can see here. When I click list of picket, you can see here 18. Daftar nilai I click 18 and Times New Roman. All Times New Roman ya, type-nya. Jenisnya itu Times New Roman. But in here itu 12 semua, 12. 12. You can see here 12. Ya. Jadi yang 18 itu only title-nya. Understand ya, kid? Important kamu follow.
Sir,
Ya.
berarti kita bikinnya list of picket sama daftar nilai kan, Sir?
Yang 18. Yang what you mean, Kalista?
Kita berarti bikin dua-duanya kan, Sir?
Oh.
Nggak boleh milih salah satu.
Iya, Kalista. Thank you. You do both of them ya, dua-duanya. Ya, this one. Okay. If the color up to you ya, but except the color of this. Okay, I want to show you how to make the number this use autofill and the color. Example, I type here 1, but you type 1 and type 2. Oke, ini udah otomatis ya. Saya buat yang new ya, new one ya. 1, 2. Okay, look at this. You type number 1 and number 2. After that, you block. Block. Ya. After you block, like this. Click this one, quick analysis. Quick analysis ya. Quick analysis. Click. And then choose this one. Color scale. After that, click this one. Ya, fill handle-nya. Klik, hold, tahan, and drag. Digeser. You want to make until what number? Example 8. 8. Ready. And then choose center. Ready, center. So you don't need to type 1 until 15 ya. Use autofill, gunakan autofill. And about day, you just type only 1. Saturday, the example, Saturday. Example, type Saturday. After that, use autofill. Just click, hold and drag. Automatic. The example, you want to type date.
Sir, cara
Yes.
bikin warnanya yang Saturday, Sunday, Monday itu gimana, Sir?
Oh, this one. This is up to you. Wait, ya, wait. Okay, wait. This is for date first. Date. If already type, just autofill. Ya, gunakan autofill supaya gampang. Ready. How to make the color? Ya, this is color. If this up to you ya, up to you. Except this one, kecuali yang ini. Tapi kalau ini up to you. how to make color just block atau select first, and then after you select, use this. Ya, in home ya, di home, not in insert ya, home, and choose this. App here. Understand, Saptiani?
Understand, sir.
Okay, this is also if you want to make color, you can choose here. To you, the color. Okay, yang bisa berbeda, the name, nama studentnya can the other. Kemudian colornya boleh except kecuali color yang ini, numbernya nih ya, number ini seperti ini warna-warni. Dan hari tanggalnya harus sama, tanggal harinya sama. But kalau warnanya up to you yang ini. Understand, students?
Sir,
Understand, sir.
Ya, Jonathan.
kalau ini daftar
Jonathan atau
kalau ini
Saptian?
daftar nilai term 2, ini kan udah English 92 itu boleh diganti gak?
Oh, no. Ya, Stanley ya. Stanley, I need why same like this because I want to see the result. Okay, especially about this. Yeah, especially about this. This is not use manual. Don't use manual ya, kid. This is must use formula. You can see here, kid. Formula. Look at this formula. Total and rata-rata. Yang colornya ini purple ini must use formula. Don't type manual. Later, if you type manual, I can see ya. The example you type 279. You type like this. Ya, like this. I can see here. Saya akan lihat di sini, kid. Di sini ini tampilannya. But if you use formula, I see in formula bar have like this. How the formula you can see here. Yeah, later kid Zoom recordnya I send to you ya. Okay, so you can see the formula. Okay, I want to erase this. Delete. I want to repeat. Total it mean ya berarti jumlah. Total jumlah sum dari English, computer sama art. Okay, equals you block this one. Ya, ini H4 because column H and number 4. After that plus, you type plus. And then this is computer I4 ya. You can type directly I4. Okay, I4. And then plus this is J4. You can type J4. Enter. After that enter. Already. If already have one, yeah, no need to type again here the formula kid. Just click here and then click this is autofill, handle and drag. Easy kid, so easy ya, so easy. Jadi nggak perlu banyak-banyak mengetik kid. Just use autofill seperti yang kita udah pelajari. And then how about rata-rata kid? Rata-rata equal, ya you block this atau select ini K4 ya. Divide itu use mana kid? Divide itu use slash this. Garis miring kid. Divide how much? Okay, who knows? Berapa nih bagiannya kid? Bagi berapa kid? Ayo, who knows? Dibagi divide 3 ya kid. 3. Why 3? Okay, who knows? Kenapa 3?
I know sir.
Why?
Because hanya ada 3 pelajaran.
Okay, Stanley, good. Because have 3 subject. 1 English, computer, and art. And then enter. Itulah dia rata-ratanya. Okay, I repeat one more time. If already have 1, no need to type the formula again. Just click here and then click this one. Will handle, drag. Wow, already finished. So easy ya Stanley ya. Okay, student. So easy or hard? I want to ask you.
Hard sedikit, sir.
Hard sedikit. Okay lah. Ya. I hope you can do it slowly aja lah ya, slowly. Itu waktunya until next week ya, next Friday ya. Tapi
Sir,
bulan, ya.
sir, if we don't have email, can we send to your WhatsApp?
WhatsApp. Yes, can send to my WhatsApp ya, Stanley. You can see here. Okay. Yeah, this one. Save by the name, your name, project sent to my WhatsApp and or email ya. So student, okay, this is I erase first ya, I delete. Yeah, I delete first. If have finished like this, if already finished like this, yeah, save, yeah, the example save, yeah, the save, and then the name, the example Stanley underscore project, yeah. After that, use save and then send to my WhatsApp, yeah, send to my WhatsApp, and the WhatsApp you can see here, yeah, WhatsApp, the example. Want to send here, yeah, to, ya, kamu kirimlah pakai ini, nanti send di sini, di sini kamu ambil, and then, di mana kamu simpan tadi, di mana, kamu open, maka dia masuk nanti. If you cannot send with WhatsApp, you can send to my email, okay? I think that easy, kid. Have question again?
Sir, just now
Yeah.
if we want to save the project, we
Yes.
must out from the, we must out and then go to the lobby, gitu.
Can you repeat one more time, Stanley? Pardon?
If we want to save the project,
Yes.
we must go out from this,
Excel.
yeah, no, go to the lobby, seem like want to make the new one.
You mean go to lobby? I don't understand. Okay, can speak. You mean what, Stanley? I don't understand. Sorry.
I'm confused how to save the project.
Okay, this is like this, yeah. This is your, okay, this is the example your project. Okay, have finished. So you want to save. Yes. Like
Yes,
this,
sir.
and then after you file save, and then Stanley, you mean after save, the example already saved. The example you save in here. This is already saved. This is my file. Ya, ini project grade 5. Sudah tersimpan in here in project, the example. And then what you mean again, Stanley?
Nothing more. Thank you, sir.
That's right, Stanley. You understand,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, student. Yeah. So I repeat one more time. If you have finished like this, yeah, you save. After save, yeah. Okay, I make the example lah ya. The example. Yeah, I make the name. I save in here ya, in project ya, in project. I save by the name. Ya, saya ganti aja ini final term 2. Oke. Semester ya. Udah gitu aja lah ya, same. Oke. Save. Oke, if already save. Okay, I can close. Okay, sorry. And then I go to my WhatsApp, this one. Okay, I send to Okay, I send to my daughter lah ya. Okay, save. Okay, send to Jihan. I click this one. Click, and then this document, and then I search. Just now I save in project ya, project. Saya simpan tadi my project. Okay, project. Okay, this project. This one ya already have. Same. Ini tadi ya, I change ya, same. Open. After that, I click this one. Ready. Ini terkirim Kit. Ya. Okay, that's the way how to save and to send the project. If you cannot with WhatsApp, you can send to my email. This is my email. This is active ya, Kit. Okay, student. I hope you understand about our project today. I want to take photo before I leave this room because time is over. Okay, show me your handsome face, please. I want to take photo. Okay, student. Thank you, Yakit. Thank you. Later, if you have question again, you can ask me directly. Japri aja to my WhatsApp, Yakit, if you don't understand. Okay, thank you. One more time, I say thank you very much for your attention. Keep spirit, keep healthy. Yeah, nice to see you again. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.